right? It's here in South Africa, and yeah, let me just say it's very cold. Like today, for example, it's really cold. It's really hot. Sorry. It is so hot. Like, are you seeing me properly? Oh my god. Yes, now you can see me properly. Like, oh, it is so hot. Today it was 37 degrees, I think. Can you imagine 37 degrees? I bathed, I did not do anything to my skin, and my tinea vesicolor, it's coming out. This is so horrible. It's bad. Anyways, I've been trying to figure out how to actually pin a comment. I can't figure it out. How the hell do I pin a comment? Can somebody do that for me? Hmm? Don't do that. My sister is outside and she's whispering like a witch. Why would somebody do that? Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. What is this? I don't understand what's happening. I honestly don't. I don't know what's happening. What's happening? What's happening, guys? Can somebody pin? I want to pin a comment, but I can't do that because of the because I'm not seeing anything here. Honestly, I'm not. Guys, today I'm gonna show you guys tomorrow. I picked a bed today. I picked it up and it just took me straight to my childhood. Like I used to love um treating animals growing up. It used to be a thing that I loved. Don't mind my outfit, how I'm wearing. I'm wearing like this because it's very hot. I've explained. It's hot. It's hot. If you are somebody who is in South Africa, you know what I'm talking about. It's very hot. It's around 8 now, and the hotness that I'm experiencing, I bathed like an hour ago, and already I'm sweating like crazy. The kids are sleeping, but I'm pretty much sure they're gonna wake up soon because that's how hot it is. They're sleeping, they're bathed, and they are sweating. Even now, occasionally I just go on their face and wipe the sweat off. It's bad. It's horrible. I wish I was rich in such a way that when we hit winters, when we hit summers here in South Africa, I would just go overseas where it's winter. I cannot stand the sun. Look at my skin. Look, already I'm developing these spots here. These spots. It's called tinea vesicolor. It actually appears during summer. Only appears during summer, and it's so annoying. My face gets tingly, tingling, tingling. Guys, I don't know how I'm gonna sleep today. I'm even thinking of going to sleep outside. Can I show you the outside that I'm taking? Can I? It's so dark outside. There are no lights, but I'm already planning on going outside. That outside and sleep there. You know what? But that's a topic for another day. I have a hot topic that I wanted us to talk about. But I also promised my Facebook people that we are also going to go live on this topic. So I don't know if somebody can, like, I want to talk about the fact that I've decided to go I don't know the right word. I don't know how to pronounce this word, so I'm just gonna say it. Like, what is that word? How do you pronounce the word of somebody who had decided to no longer engage in sexual activities? That's, and you don't understand. Guys, the sweat. I'm looking at my daughter right now, and she is just a ball of sweat. She's just a ball of sweat, guys. She's just a ball. Anyway, to those who were on the live before my phone did whatever it did, so I was thinking, I promised this on my last live, I think. I promised that I would tell you guys a suitable day to go live on Facebook. On Facebook, because there were people who were saying that they actually wanted to support me while I'm live, and I'm not monetized here on YouTube. A lot of people that they were asking about this. Yeah, I'm not monetized. And they were asking about that, saying something about super chats. I don't know about that, but yeah, super chats and whatnot. And I think Facebook has a what they call it, gifting system. So I promise that